The Haudio Car Stereo features a 9.26-inch high-definition touchscreen that is both bright and responsive, enhancing your driving experience. With wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, this stereo allows seamless access to your favorite apps, music, and navigation through voice control, promoting safer driving. The included 1080-pixel high-definition backup camera automatically displays rear-view images when reversing, aiding in safe and easy parking. Real-time GPS navigation is available on the 9.26-inch display, delivering precise positioning and clear map information for a refreshing update to older vehicles. Multiple audio output options, including Bluetooth, aux, and FM transmitter, offer flexibility in playing sound through the car's system or the stereo's built-in speakers. The stereo's plug-and-play design with an adhesive mount makes installation quick and easy, allowing compatibility with a wide range of vehicles without altering the original setup.